Welcome 8th standard. I am going to teach graph, introduction to graph in this video. So we know already we saw in the previous lessons that bar graph, histogram, pie graph, double bar graph, all this. So what is bar graph? The information given is can be drawn like this, like bar. Then it is called as bar graph. Now, and then we know double bar graph as well as we know pie chart, pie graph or circle graph, and we know histogram also. This all we have read already. Now in this lesson we are going to see line graph. That is, in cricket matches you will see they will compare 2 to 3 batmans, or they will compare 2 to 3 matches by using the line graph. One line they will use green color line, and another line they will use red color, like that. This line graph is very useful to represent all those values graphically. So this is an example of a line graph. So for example, at 6 a.m. the temperature of a room is, or the temperature of a city is 37. At 10 o'clock it is 40 degree. At 2 o'clock it is 38 degree, like that. So this is an example of line graph. Now we are going to see they will give, as usual, like bar graph and histogram, they will give diagram, and we want to answer for those questions. That's all. Okay, the first question is given that the following graph shows the temperature of a patient in a hospital recorded every hour. ஒரு மணி நேரத்துக்கு ஒரு பேஷண்ட்டோட டெம்பரேச்சர் வந்து ரெக்கார்ட் பண்ணிகிட்டே வராங்க. அப்போ 9 AM-க்கு ஒன்று, 9க்கும் 10க்கும் நடுவில் இருக்கிறது வாட் வில் கம் 9:30. ஓகே, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, like that it is given. And this is given as 35, 36, 37. And between 35 and 36 what will be there? 35.5. This is 34, that 34.5 it will be given. So depends. This is the information is given in graph. Want to write answer for this graph? That's all very simple. So what is the first question? What was the patient temperature at 1 p.m.? So 1 o'clock, 1 p.m. This is 1 p.m. 1 p.m-க்கு நேரா என்ன temperature வருது? This one. So if you want, you can draw a line, or you can use scale directly. At 1 o'clock you have this value, that is this value. Between 37 and 36 what will come? 36.5. So at 1 o'clock what is the temperature of the patient? 36.5 degrees Celsius. That's all very simple, right? So next question, when was the patient temperature is 38.5 degrees Celsius? 38.5 degree எத்தனை மணிக்கு அவங்களுக்கு அந்த பேஷண்ட்டுக்கு வந்துச்சு? ஸோ வேர் இஸ் 38.5? Between 39 and 38 is 38.5. So 38.5 is year. So year. Then the time is 12 noon. So at 12 noon the patient temperature is reaching at 38.5. Next one is that the patient temperature was the same 2 times during the period given. Where was those 2 times? எப்போ எந்த டைமில் வந்து பேஷண்ட்டோட டெம்பரேச்சர் வந்து சேமாக இருக்குது? எந்த டைமில் பேஷண்ட்டோட டெம்பரேச்சர் சேமாக இருக்குது? சி, திஸ் ஆல்சோ 36.5 and this also 36.5. ஸோ எந்த டைம் டியூரேஷனில் வந்து நமக்கு சேமாக இருக்குது? at 1 p.m. and at 2 p.m. That's what they are asking. The patient temperature was the same 2 times during the given period. Where was those 2 times? Where was those 2 times? The time is 1 p.m. and 2 p.m. Clear? Next one. What was the temperature at 1:30 p.m.? How did you arrive at your answer? 1:30 p.m. What is the answer? 1:30 p.m. So between 1 and 2 the same temperature only. So what about 1:30 also? 1:30 is between 1 and 2 is 1:30. That also the same temperature. Then what is the temperature between at 1:30? 36.5. 36.5 degrees Celsius. 36.5 degrees Celsius. During which period did the patient temperature showed as upward trend? Upward trend in the sense, இந்த எதில் எந்த வேல்யூ அதிகமாக இருக்குது, which time? So among this 39 is the maximum value at what time? At 11 a.m. So temperature is 11 a.m. The temperature on this 11 a.m. is 39 degrees Celsius. Like this only we want to answer for the given question based upon the given graph. Understood? And remaining is same type of question. Just look at this. The graph shows the sales figure. ஒரு கம்பெனியோட சேல்ஸ் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. எனி சேல்ஸ், எய்தர் இட் இஸ் எக்ஸ்போர்ட் ஆர் எலக்ட்ரானிக் ஐட்டம்ஸ், வாட் எவர் இட் இஸ். ஸோ ஃபஸ்ட் கொஷின், வாட் வேர் த சேல் இன் 2002 and 2006? 2002லேயும் 2006லேயும் என்ன சேல் இருக்குது? விச் மீன்ஸ் 2002ல் 4, 2006ல் என்ன இருக்குது? 8. So it is given in rupees and crores. So 2002 how much rupees? 4 crores, and 2006 it is 8 crores. Again same question, what were the sale in 2003 and 2005? So you find same thing, 2003 what value will come and 2005 what value will come. Just find. Compute the difference between the sales of 2002 and 2006. 2002க்கு 2006க்குள்ள டிஃப்ரென்ஸ் கேட்குறாங்க. ஸோ 2006 is 8 crore, 2002 is 4 crore. Just subtract. Then in which year there the greatest difference among the between the sales are compared? எந்த இயருக்கும் ரொம்ப டிஃப்ரென்ஸ் வருதுன்னு கேட்குறாங்க. ஸோ எந்த இயர்லேருந்து இந்த 4th இயரில் 6 இருக்குது, 2004ல் 6 இருக்குது, 2005 it is tremendous, that is from 6 to 10. Difference is 4. Here the difference is 6, 7லேருந்து 6க்கு மாறி இருக்கப்போ ரொம்ப கம்மியாக இருக்கும். They are asking the greatest difference. This is difference. Then 4 to 7 is answer is 3. இதில் எதுக்கு நமக்கு ஆன்சர் வந்து இது 3, இது 4. இதில் எது பெருசு? 4 தான் பெருசு. அப்போ எந்த இயருக்கு? 2004 and 2005. Like this only you want to answer. Thank you. Meet you in the next video.